to create an egalitarian.
Hey y'all, let me show you what's going on. Real quick update with the tile. Y'all watch the video coming out this week. We got a little bit on that, but not a whole lot. Like I say, everything is in fast gear. We are trying to get this place finished up, but somehow or another I've gotten sick. Maggie's so excited about today's update. Yeah, I've got something. I don't know what it is.
Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel.
Like I said, maybe the old C word. Can't seem to get over it, y'all. It don't feel good. Y'all, I'm about to say, is that guinea is inside. How'd that guinea get in here, man? Get the door shut. How'd that happen? Yeah, the guinea's inside here. I don't know why he's inside. I don't know why the cats are inside here. They're wanting fed. Ain't you, buddy? Ain't you? So yeah, Papa, want fed. Taylor, he's a nice one, man. Maggie don't like the guinea in here, so Maggie's gonna try to speed things up a little bit and get the guinea out of here. Yep. All right. Here's the quail, y'all. They're doing pretty good. We had a pretty good week with the quail. We didn't lose any quail this week. They're all chugging along. It is cold, so they're not as active. Yeah. But they're hanging in there, looks like. Old Bugsy. Bugsy's a hanging in there. Taylor just wanted attention. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the American breast chicken. There's the guineas. Guineas are being guineas. Let's shut this door so it don't get as cold in here. I've got a little bit of heat on these chickens. Angie is not sure these are American breast chickens. She's got a pretty good point. She says their feet are not gray looking. To be American breast chickens, they're supposed to have gray feet. And these don't. They are white. So that may have been just an overall total failure. Y'all, as you can tell by the coat, it has definitely got to be winter. It's definitely got to be winter. All right, y'all, we lost another turkey. I tell you what, I hope that these turkeys, I hope they have eggs early in the season. Make it out. Angie put the tarp down, get them a little bit warmer. Now we're down to 4 Royal Palms and 5 Bourbon Reds. I don't know what happened to that one. Everything seemed to be fine. Turkeys are hard to raise. I was talking about that at work with some of the guys. They're pretty difficult to raise. The Isas, doing pretty good. And the 2 Royal Palm hens, doing pretty good. Comes the guineas and the cats. Guineas are so funny. There ain't no doubt about it. Here's Tom and his group. That hen messed her foot up somehow or another. She kind of limps around. yeah. All these are doing pretty good. I think Angie is down now to one turkneck baby that's lived. Kane and his bunch are doing well. Oh, she's got two turknecks. There's the other one. That one's Kane and his bunch. They're doing good. And two guineas are fighting, and Maggie broke that up. That didn't last too long, did it? The first time seeing guineas fight. All right. Brahmas are doing really good. These are spur ones. That is a big rooster, ain't he? He is a big rooster. And they say that the Brahmas will grow up to, the roosters will grow up to 3 years. And I think that's maybe a year and a half old or so. So he's still got a little bit of growing to do. All right, these are doing pretty good. These are mostly Brahmas. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the ones that's not Brahmas out of here and put over there. And these are big enough, I'm gonna move those Brahmas over here. I gotta mark those Brahmas there so they don't get mixed in with this group, because this is gonna be an egg laying group here, hopefully. We really, you know, you need to keep, you really need to keep your egg layers about, they get about 2 years old, the egg laying really tapers off on them pretty good. For example, these, they're not big egg layers. And right now we're not getting a lot of eggs at all. We're not getting very many eggs at all. I gotta do the geese water. Their water's not. Right, y'all? You needing your water changed? Then Angie and I gotta finish up the chores. But old geese, I tell you, I don't know time you ever hear anything out of them when something's around or they want their water changed. They get a little bit fussy about that when they want their water changed. I tell you what, y'all, it's winter time. I think we're supposed to be down in the 20s tonight. So winter is here. There is no doubt about that. Angie made a comment. I don't know if she came out here and got her bell peppers. But said she needed to get her bell peppers. She come out here, but I think she went up and got her basket. They're still hanging in there. We have had one frost this week. The bell peppers are hanging in there. Taylor, what are you doing? I'm being followed by Taylor. Yeah, I am. Being followed by Taylor. Maggie! Maggie has slipped off somewhere. All right, y'all. There she is. So yeah, she's got some bell peppers here. I'm gonna go ahead and she's got a basket of stuff she picked. Said she's been picking a lot of the beans and peas and stuff. And she picked that the other day because she was talking about how big it was. Well, that tastes of cake. That definitely tastes of cake. What do you two think about that? Y'all gonna go over and rescue Lambo? Angie seen her on top of the flower, her raised bed. to have a cow. What do you two think about that, huh? Y'all not going over and get involved in that? No? Y'all not going over and getting involved in that? You leaving that up to Lambo? Maggie. Whew. Maggie be Maggie. Maggie, let's go. All right. Okay, y'all, not a real long video, and we're trying to get video of fish in the house, but you know, any YouTubers will tell you it takes a lot of time to do videos, set up camera, get the right positions and all that stuff. I'm gonna try to do better tomorrow. We're gonna do a lot of work tomorrow, so definitely these 2 videos coming out this week are gonna be of doing the house. I hope everybody had a really good week. Hope everybody has a really good week coming up. Hope all y'all avoid this old crud, whatever it is I've got. So, like I say, a really short video, but I wanted to get a video out for Sunday. And y'all, we appreciate each and every one of you watching. It means a lot to us. And I hope, like I say, I hope everybody's doing good. And again, y'all, thank you for watching.